Ye kru ya kra ni kwa ni hinini. Ye kru ya kra ye ko Kumasi aduan po French tade kase awia boso. Damra na se tutu atena bangoma so wa premo so. Use bo aye. Ajubuti ase amabodam ti aso sore preko ankoya abede. Wojam bibi mframa fa bo ampem na se tutu wanie. Amampini Yesre nyame ama wo echi anabakonso.
Your Majesty, thank you very much for the warm welcome. Everything so far, the welcome in your kingdom has even been greater. So thank you very much.
You're also coming home.
Yes, I'm coming home. Yes, coming home in more than one way. And of course, it was an honor to welcome you to Seychelles. Back in
Looking at where he used to hold libation and everything. So, you were very warm.
Yes. And I'm especially touched by the fact that the link between the Ashantis and the Seychelles is still very strong. And this is why I had to come for the centenary celebrations. I cleared everything. At first there were some issues, but I made sure everything was clear. Everything was clear for me to be here. And I'm very happy to be here.
Thank you. Interestingly, St. Anne's, where he was retired, he carried the name here and we set up another St. Anne's church here.
Oh, okay. Good.
And reading when he was walking from his residence to church.
Yes, it was not too far. Less than a mile. Yes.
Transformation. From there on, all the members of the Royal Family turned to the Anglicans.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, in the Anglican community.
Yes, and now that I'm here in an Anglican priest,
Yes.
I've insisted that on Sunday I preach.
Yes.